بسم الله الحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to another Quran step. Inshallah, we'll be going through ayah number 32 of Surah Al-Baqarah. We'll begin with the recitation. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. قالوا سبحانك لا علم لنا إلا ما علمتنا إنك أنت العليم الحكيم. قالوا, they said, i.e. the angels. Remember, just to put that in context, in ayah number 31, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has taught Adam alayhi salam the names of everything. ثم عرضهم على الملائكة, and then he displays these to the angels. فقال, and then he says, أنبئوني, inform me with the names of all these things, إن كنتم صادقين, if you are truthful. So now we have the response of the angels to this challenge, in a sense put by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to them. So their response is قالوا سبحانك. They say, قالوا سبحانك, exalted are you. لا علم لنا إلا ما علمتنا. لا علم لنا, we have no knowledge. إلا, except ما علمتنا, what you have taught us. إنك, indeed it is you. أنت, emphasis, you. العليم الحكيم. Al-Alim, the knowing, Al-Hakim, the wise. So we'll just go through a couple of questions here. So let's see. First of all, what does the word Subhanak, if you look here, Subhanak, or Subhan, and then Ka is you, Subhanak, mean? Well, we've just met this word very recently, 2 ayahs ago. Remember when the angels were talking about a related word? The angels were talking about their question that they put forward to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. وإذ قال ربك للملائكة إني جاعل في الأرض خليفة. When Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala tells the angels, I'm going to place a Khalifa on the earth, they respond by saying, قالوا وتجعل فيها من يفسد, will you put somebody who does fasad فيها ويسفك الدماء, and sheds blood? And then they describe themselves. What do they say? وَنَحْنُ نُسَبِّحُ بِحَمْدِكَ وَنُقَدِّسُ لَكَ. نُسَبِّحُ, tasbih, we do tasbih, we say Subhanak a lot. And if you remember, we said that the meaning of tasbih comes from sabaha, which means to swim, i.e. somebody moving fast. And if you double the middle letter sabbaha, then you get tasbih, somebody is very quick to say Allah is free from any defect. So if we go back to Subhanak here, the question, effectively, Subhanak, the Subhana, from here to here, is what is called an ism masdar. It's the meaning of the verb without when. It's not done in the past or in the future. It's just the meaning of the verb. So if you have to run, the meaning of to run is running. If you have to eat, I ate now, or I will eat in the future, the meaning of the verb is eating, and that's called the masdar. So Subhana is an ism masdar because it has an extra letter that's not in the original verb. It's called ism masdar. بمعنى التسبيح أي التنزيه, i.e. to declare somebody free of defect, تنزيه. From the word سبح واختص بتنزيه الله تعالى. So when they say Subhanak, this verb is only used when you are for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and when you want to declare that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is free from any imperfection. You wouldn't use this word for a human being. Okay, so they say قالوا سبحانك, that's their response. I'm going to keep these videos short now. So that's the question number 1, and وآخر دعوانا أن الحمد لله رب العالمين.